Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be giving you guys basically the truth about passion twists, all the things you need to know about this hairstyle. If you're about to get it, if you're considering doing it, everything you need to know. So if you're interested in this video, please keep on watching. So passion twists have been the hype. They have been that protective style. It has just been a trending protective hairstyle, and with that comes along a lot of questions, a lot of people wanting to try out the hairstyle. But I'm gonna let you know what you need to know about passion twists before you get them, so you know what you're getting into. So the number one thing that I want to stress in this video is if you are looking for a protective hairstyle that has the longevity of box braids, micro braids, whatever, this is not the hairstyle for you. Passion twist is not a hairstyle that's going to give you that longevity if you're looking to wear your hair in that style for 3+, 4+ weeks. Because since it is a 2-strand twist, now maybe if you do a 3-strand twist, it may last longer. I haven't tried that. Maybe I should do a 3-strand passion twist tutorial. Let me know if y'all want to see that in the comment section below. But if you guys are just doing your traditional 2-strand passion twist hairstyle, it is not going to last you extremely long. Why? Or let me tell you the factors that go into the longevity of your hairstyle. One, how you attach the twist to your hair plays a big role in it. So if you start by braiding it in and then twisting, it's gonna last longer than if you did a no rubber band method and just crocheted it into your hair that was already braided. Maybe even if you wrap it, I'm not sure how long it lasts if you do the wrapping method to twist it, because I haven't tried that personally. But for me, the rubber band method works the best for making sure your hair is gonna last at least 2.5 to 3 weeks and still look rather decent. Another thing that goes into the longevity of this hairstyle is how big you do your twists. The bigger the twists, the shorter they're gonna last, in my opinion, because you have a bigger area of hair that you're attaching the twist to, which means it's like you got more hair you're adding to your head, if that makes sense. And so each little part is way easier to loosen up versus you having smaller parts and only using like 1 strand of passion twist hair to do your twist. Unlike these, where I have chunks of hair in the rubber band method, and some without the rubber band. This hairstyle currently has half rubber band, half not rubber band. And if you haven't watched that tutorial on the no rubber band method, make sure you check it out by clicking right there if you're interested on how I got these 24+ inch passion twists with the no rubber band method. But the smaller, I feel like the smaller twists you have in your hair, the longer they're gonna last. Of course, over time, as it gets, you know, a little bit looser and everything like that, it looks more natural, so it looks really cute. So I do want to share with you different ways on how you can kind of keep your hair looking fresh in this style. So we've covered point number 1. Passion twist is not a hairstyle for longevity. It's not your ride or die. They're gonna be in the door, and in about 2.5 to 3 weeks, they're gonna be out the door, and you just gonna have to take them out, which is why it is a great hairstyle for you to learn how to do, because you're not gonna pay nobody to do it. And if you do it yourself, it'll take you a couple of hours and it'll run you about 40 bucks. And you can get the hairstyle, wear it for 2.5 to 3 weeks, and then on to the next protective style. One thing I will say, it is very easy to redo your edges. So if once about 2.5 weeks come around and you have like the thick passion twist like this, you can go in and you could just redo your edges and keep it moving, unless you have one that's like hanging really low and it's done kind of moved towards the end. Then you can go back and redo those individual ones that slid a lot. But if you don't have too much sliding, you can definitely redo your edges and have this hairstyle in for 4+ weeks. Let's see. Things you can do to refresh the hairstyle is like adding setting mousse to your hair, adding edge control, but you kind of have to be careful adding edge control because it can cake up on the roots of your hair, and you don't want it to start caking up and looking real dirty and dusty. You know, back in the day when you used to have box braids and you leave them in so long and you have like a whole little fuzzy ring around your hair. If you add too much product, it will do that, but you can use edge control to kind of freshen up and redefine your parts like in between your twists. Also, make sure you're adding oils to the scalp to make sure your scalp is moisturized and everything while you have this style in. And then just a few things when you're doing the hairstyle, make sure you're twisting in the direction of the grain of the hair. And you'll know if you're doing this or not, because if you're twisting not in the direction of the hair, then it's gonna look very loose and it ain't gonna look right. You're gonna be like, something ain't right about this. And if you have that, something ain't right about this pop up into your head, then try twisting in the opposite direction. For me, it was twisting when I put in the hair, regardless of whatever time I did it. For me, twisting the hair towards the left was going with the grain. So that's my spiel on that. And then it roughly will take you 3 to 5.5 packs of hair. It depends on how long you're going, how thick you're going. All those things kind of play into the passion twist hairstyle. Also, it will take an extremely longer time to do passion twists that are long like this. These are 24 inches, but they're way longer than that stretched out. But this hair took me probably, I would say upwards between 4 and 6 hours to do total. And the first time I did passion twists, which were 18 inches, it only took me about 2 hours to do my entire head. Keep in mind, I did do thick passion twists, so it wasn't as many small twists to do. But the longer you do them, the more time you're adding on to the hair process and doing your hair. If y'all have any questions, please feel free to let me know what your questions are in the comment section below, because I'm here as a service to you to help you guys on navigating hairstyles and which ones you should try, which ones you shouldn't. I definitely encourage doing this hairstyle because it is so cute. Like, it is literally so cute. I get so many compliments when I have my passion twists in. This is the second time that I've done them and I've gotten so many compliments and I love it. It's an easy style to maintain. I will be doing a hairstyles video. I might do a hairstyles video for you guys. With the passion twist, but like right now it's the first time I put it in this high ponytail, and I literally just used some twists that are in my head and wrapped it around to create the high ponytail. So it's very low maintenance. While you have them, you just make sure your baby hair is on fleek and you're pretty much good to go. Like I said, it is not a hairstyle for people who want a longevity hairstyle. It's just not that hairstyle. But yeah, if you guys are interested in more protective styles, let me know what styles you think I should try. Should I do like box braids? Should I do the 3-strand passion twist and see how that goes? Y'all just let me know what you think in the comment section below. Make sure you ask all your questions because I got some answers for you. And if I don't, I'll find out. That's pretty much it for this video. If you're not a part of the Gem Squad and you've watched thus far, the Gem Squad is basically all of my lovely supporters. You guys are gems, which means you are valuable, you are great, and you are destined for greatness, and you're on this journey with me. So I like to call y'all my gems. And if you want to be a part of Gem Squad, just hit the subscribe button down below It's free. That's all you gotta do. We're on the road to 100K. I'm super excited. Like, whew, mind blown. I can't even fathom, like, what? But I'm so excited. Anyway, make sure you subscribe. Make sure you hit the like button down below for more videos like this, for more protective styles. And yeah, that's all I have for you guys today. I love y'all so much. And never forget, at the end of the day, without regrets, love yourself and be you. Tipple. Bye, guys.